The Prophet ﷺ was asked which of the deeds are best. He said, pray on its time. How do you make yourself punctual when it comes to the prayer? When you hear the adhan, get yourself to the masjid. You are in a Muslim country. You hear the adhan 5 times a day. When you hear the adhan, wuzu kare, masjid ke taraf chale jaye. Walk to the masjid. There's a masjid on every corner. As long as the masjid does not commit shirk, you can pray in that masjid. चाहे वो अहल हदीथ हो, चाहे वो हनफी हो, लेकिन कबूरियों के पीछे उनके पीछे नमाज नहीं होती, क्योंकि वो they call upon other than Allah. Whoever calls upon other than Allah, Ya Abdul Qadir, Ya Muhammad, Ya Ali, Ya Fulan, Ya Chishti, then there is no salah behind people who call upon other than Allah. وَأَنَّ الْمَسَاجِدَ لِلَّهِ فَلَا تَدْعُوا مَعَ اللَّهِ أَحَدًا. Indeed, the places of worship are only for Allah. So do not invoke upon anyone other than Him. So you only call upon Allah. So any place where they are calling upon Allah, उस जगह में नमाज नहीं होती, उस जगह में नमाज नहीं पढ़ना. Barakallahu feekum. For sisters, you hear the adhan as well. When you hear the adhan, make wudu and pray. The Prophet ﷺ was asked which of the deeds are best. He said, pray on its time. As-salah ala waqtiha. Pray the prayer at its time. That's the best of deeds.